how are you all doing today? I hope you're popping. I'm popping, you're popping, we are all popping. Guys, today I have this beautiful transformation and I'm using this hair from Aliexpress hair, okay? Yes, Aliexpress hair. Link is going to be in the description box. Also remember to leave me a beautiful comment. I love reading your comment, okay? Ta-da! You part wig, guys, Aliexpress hair. So I'm going to put the link to this beautiful you part wig in the description box. I love the density. So yes, so you part wig simply means that you can leave your hair out in the middle. So you're going to have a leave out instead of a closure. So for those of you who are going for that natural look, you're going to love this you part wig. I think my girl will be coloring this hair just to give it a little bit of vam voom, you know. Enjoy this beautiful transformation. See you soon. I no go bobo you rara. Be your royalty, be my diadem. Like Kanye and Kim, you admire them. No. Hi guys, welcome to the Beauticianchic channel, and I'm about to be popping. Guys, go subscribe to my YouTube channel at Queen T's TV. Real content's coming real soon, really soon. So don't worry, it's gonna be a vlog, lifestyle, beauty, everything. Stay tuned. I am it. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby, kill your desire. Baby, your loving way I require. Lencho bumana, I just sing aquaba. Baby, kill your desire. Your loving way I require. Yeah. Oh yeah, sorry, don't forget to bring your umbrellas. I'ma make it rain on you, dada. I no go bobo you rara. Be your royalty, be my diadem. Like Kanye and Kim, you admire them. No one come between us like 9 and 10. Now why I sing this love anthem. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby, kill your desire. Baby, your loving way I require. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby, kill your desire. Your loving way I require, yeah. Your man they talk Jack and you went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Talk is cheap, make you spend money, or making no even bother. Cause I got you now, yeah, I mean girl, I got you now. I no go ever let you down, girl, I go hold you down, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby, kill your desire. Baby, your loving way I require. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby, kill your desire. Your loving way I require, yeah. I am it. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby, kill your desire. Baby, your loving way I require. Lencho bumana, I just sing aquaba. baby kilo desire. Your loving way I require. Yeah. Oh yeah, sarewa, gba. No forget to bring your umbrellas. I'ma make it rain on you, dada. I no go bobo you rara. Be your royalty, be my diadem. Like Kanye and Kim, you admire them. No one come between us like 9 and 10. Now why I sing this love anthem. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby kilo desire, baby your loving way I require. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby kilo desire, your loving way I require. Yeah. Your man they talk Jack and Jill, went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Talk is cheap, make you spend money, or make it no even bother. Cause I got you now, yeah, I mean girl I got you now. I no go ever let you down, girl I go hold you down, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl you on my radar, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby kilo desire, baby your loving way I require. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby kilo desire, your loving way I require. Yeah. Oh yeah, man. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby kilo desire, baby your loving way I require. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby kilo desire, your loving way I require. Yeah. Oh yeah, sarewa, gba. No forget to bring your umbrellas. I'ma make it rain on you, dada. I no go bobo you rara. Be your royalty, be my diadem. Like Kanye and Kim, you admire them. No one come between us like 9 and 10. Now why I sing this love anthem. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby kilo desire, baby your loving way I require. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby kilo desire, your loving way I require. Yeah. Your man they talk Jack and Jill, went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Talk is cheap, make you spend money, or make it no even bother. Cause I got you now, yeah, I mean girl I got you now. I no go ever let you down, girl I go hold you down, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby kilo desire, baby your loving way I require. Lencho bumana, my heart they sing aquaba. Baby kilo desire, your loving way I require. Yeah. Oh yeah, man. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lencho Bumona, my heart they sing Aquaba. Baby, kill your desire. Baby, your loving way I require. Lencho Bumona, my heart they sing Aquaba. Baby, kill your desire. Your loving way I require. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, Sarewa, gba. Don't forget to bring your umbrellas. I'ma make it rain on you, dada. I no go bobo you, rara. Be your royalty, be my diadem. Like Kanye and Kim, you admire them. No one come between us like 9 and 10. Aye, now why I sing this love anthem. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lencho Bumona, my heart they sing Aquaba. Baby, kill your desire. Baby, your loving way I require. Lencho Bumona, my heart they sing Aquaba. Baby, kill your desire. Your loving way I require, yeah, yeah. Your man they talk Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Talk is cheap, make you spend money, or make it no even bother. Cause I got you now, yeah, I mean girl, I got you now. I no go ever let you down, girl, I go hold you down, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah. Lencho Bumona, my heart they sing Aquaba. Baby, kill your desire. Baby, your loving way I require. Lencho Bumona, my heart they sing Aquaba. Baby, kill your desire. Your loving way I require, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, man. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar.
I hope you enjoyed this beautiful transformation. If you do not forget, check Aliexpress hair. The link is gonna be in the description box down below. Also, do not forget to thumbs up this video. Leave me a beautiful comment. Also, check Mobile Afro Hairdressers and Beauty anywhere in United Kingdom. Link is gonna be down below. Bye guys.